We are getting ready to leave the ranch and head back to Sisters. I did get a question from one of our subscribers. I'm not sure if they're a subscriber. I shouldn't say that. Got a question from a YouTuber on a recent post that I did. To bring anybody up to speed, we live in a sheep camp made by Peak Mountain Camps in Spring City, Utah. They are absolutely awesome. The question related to this wood stove right here. While we're on the road, we will occasionally get some soot accumulating on the top of the stove. And on travel days, we'll even get some down on the stainless steel surround for the wood stove. I'm a little tinkerer, and I've been thinking about like, how can I resolve that? Now, one thing we do before we travel is the wood stove, as a rule, is cleaned. And then I've been playing with this. These are 3D printed half rings. They sit around the stove and seal that space. They worked pretty well on our last trip, but the comment was, hey, can you do a video so we can see what it is before and after? So here's my plan. We're leaving the ranch. We're going to go about a third of the way home over a mountain pass, which is kind of rough. We'll pull over at a rest stop. I'll videotape what this looks like. Right now it's clean because I've cleaned it before we left. And then I'll show any soot that accumulates, and we'll put the rings on, and we'll do the same thing when we get home so you can see before and after. I think it was a great question. Again, these rings are a little bit of a work in progress. Not absolutely necessary. I'm just a neat freak, and I like to make things. So we are halfway home, and I thought we would take a quick look at any soot or ash that developed around the wood stove. And I want to just clarify, we love our camp. I would not have anything other than this camp, and we love our wood stove. If you have a wood stove, you know that there's going to be a little bit of maintenance, including cleaning. It's just part of having a wood stove, but it's the real meal deal. It's not the little LED flickering lights that you can pick different colors and is really just an electric furnace. Before we left the ranch, I did my typical, I cleaned all the ash out, used my little dustpan and broom. That's pretty much it. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. So let's take a look. You can see the ash that kind of accumulates, and it's also on the side of the stove. And then there's some on the top of the stove. And my theory is it's leaking out of this interface right here from the stovepipe, and we'll see ash accumulating on the top, not infrequently. So I'm going to clean that up, and then we'll put our ash rings and see if that makes a difference. So I just use baby wipes, and honestly, this is more of a trivial inconvenience than anything. Again, I wouldn't have anything other than a Peak Mountain Camps camp, and I'm okay putting up with this little inconvenience, and I'm just trying to find a reliable solution, probably making a mountain out of a molehill. These are magnetic, so I could just leave them in place, but my feeling is that they'd move around. This pipe actually moves when you're going down the road. It's not immovable. And I really wanted this to be something that could be easy to put on, easy to put off, does not require any tools. The idea is it just provides a little seal right up against the pipe. And I'm just finger tightening these. If this actually works, I'll probably make a little thumb screw. We'll see how that goes. We got another hour and a half till we get to Sisters, and I'll do another video. Again, I'm doing this on a request from someone who left a comment on one of my posts. Okay, we are back home in Sisters, our little base camp, and we had a great time at the ranch and a very nice travel day, short travel day, 3 hours. We're going to take a look at this stovepipe soot collar. I would call it right now, it's better than without the collar. There still is a teeny bit of soot, not very much. Not a complete success and not a fail, but definitely a work in progress that I'm going to have to keep tweaking, but I'm convinced that I can do it. I don't know, maybe we're the only ones dealing with this. It's not a big deal, first of all. Anybody looking at buying a sheep camp, do it. You will love having a wood stove. It is the best feature. Let me show you what we got, and then you can let me know what you think. Okay, I just literally walked in, And there's just a couple of pieces of soot on the ring. There's nothing on the top. There's maybe a little bit down below there, just a scattering. Nothing on the sides of the stove. Nothing on that side, and just a little scattering right there. Let me see, nothing on the counter. So I'm definitely making progress. It's not 100% yet, but I'm bound and determined to do it. So let me know what you think. This stovepipe collar is just a work in progress, and it might not be the solution. If anybody's got some ideas, leave a comment for me. Love to hear from you.